So hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, but it's not really a how-to tutorial. I'm just gonna show you a bunch of like Sora AI example videos. So you're just gonna head over here on Sora right here. So this is the featured like Sora channel. So we're gonna visit some examples here. We have a really nice text to image here. So the prompt is like this one's psychedelic, but I guess there's like a really good prompt for here, but you can't really see it because it's a remix. Then we also have this. It looks really good. So the prompt is this camera open slow motion. As you see, it's very good, but it's a bit flawed. Like when the camera went up, like the fabric here is like waving in the wrong way. But as far as like AI examples go, this is actually pretty decent and actually pretty good. This is really uncanny, but it works. But like there's too much cut here. So this is the prompt here. Right here. We're just gonna put the prompt here. It looks really nice too. And we have actually an anime AI prompt. These are really like very rare to see on like an AI anime like video font. So here's the prompt here. I'm not gonna read all of this because it's too long. Let's watch it. Look, it's really good. Yeah, but I don't know what happened there, but it looks nice. Gonna cover his. Oh yeah, okay. Never mind. So that was pretty okay. There's also some like official ones. So these are just made by the people of people who look like Sora AI, not actually the developers, but they have some good stuff. So we have this guy standing still. We have like a snail, the skateboarding, pretty nice. We also have like the actual stuff. So this like a rabbit animation looks really nice. We have a puppy. This is from 1 year ago, so technology now is much better than this. But it's what we have right now. Sorry, there's an ad. We also have this one too. This the collection of the really good ones. So we have like a area, like a drone area like example, which really good. It's a good animation of a cloud, I guess. And this is a really good close up shot of an eye, really nice. And this is like an example of like a vintage footage during the gold rush in California, which is really cool. We already saw this example 300 times, and also this one. Yeah, this one's really good though. It's really nice. Okay, we're just gonna skip the ad here. We also have, I think it's just the same. Yeah, see, it's always this guy. Also, he always pops up in like a example videos. It's kind of like annoying, but it's okay. We have another like drone area shot. This is actually pretty decent. There's no artifacts and stuff, and other than like people slowing down, but it's really good. So we have like another vintage footage, but this one is extended, so it's pretty good. The as you can see, like the prompts are really long. Yeah, I think I saw this too. But there's an artifact here. Look at this. Like why did they start at the roof, then they went to the sidewalk? It's really weird, but we're getting there. We're getting there. So we have this close up of a old man. What's the prompt for this? Yeah, the prompt is really long. There's also like a 35 mm film, so they specify what it was recorded with, which helps a lot, I guess, in prompt making. We also have Tokyo here, which looks really nice. This, yeah, this one is really good. Like the detail of the woman, like the reflection of the woman, is really nice. Like that. That looks really cool. I think that's based on the footage they trained the AI on. And yeah, guys, that's our like AI examples. We also have AI Will Smith. Let's go eating spaghetti. So we have this one. This one was really good. It's really funny. So this is like the first like edition of Sora when it was like mid. So it looks really uncanny and weird. Like early 2023. Then like fast forward like a year later, now it looks really good. So it's really scary how fast AI is advancing. So we never know. Like Sora may replicate your voice or your face and stuff like that. But yeah, this is really good. Like Will Smith eating spaghetti. And yeah, guys, that's my video for today. It's a bunch of like AI examples on Sora. If you guys like that video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.